Set up in 1945, the Tata Motors Jamshedpur facility used to build locomotives and armored vehicles. It was only in 1954 that the company finally got building trucks. The company went by the name of Telco back then, but it has come a long way in all these years, and now, 60 years later, the plant is a world-class facility that's still rolling out some world-class products. Today, the Jamshedpur facility rolls out over 200 different variants of Tata trucks, ranging from the medium and the heavy commercial vehicle category, including some defense vehicles as well. Having said that, this is a facility that boasts of having cutting-edge technology at its disposal to ensure that Tata vehicles are produced with the stringent standards that apply to global norms now. You've got 3D imaging, 3D design for concepts. You've got a great vehicle assembly line, totally robotic, and you also have a state-of-the-art assembly line for the engines that they make up to 130 bhp. Having said that, each assembly line over here is also capable of rolling out one truck every 5 minutes.
I'm the weird man, I'm the soul man, alone and down, alone and down, I'm the wild man, I'm the weird man, I'm the soul man, alone and down.
I think the 60 years of Tata Motors Jamshedpur is actually the 60 years of Tata Motors in India, because this is where it all started when the Tata Group decided that the trucks being imported into India could be replaced by trucks made in India. So we started in Jamshedpur and I've been adding to our portfolio ever since. I think in commercial vehicles, almost every new thing which has come into the country has come via Tata Motors. Particularly in the last 10 years, there have been a number of firsts, and in a way we took it on ourselves. We still take it on ourselves to introduce the newest technologies into India. So the introduction of Prima, the introduction of radial tires into commercial vehicles for the first time, the introduction of telematics on board, these type of cabins. These are only things in the last 10 years. Before that, we had the introduction of power steering and many other features. So I think our role, as we see it, is to shape the trucking environment in India. We've been successful in doing that. Even today, when we have at least 10 players in the market, we have 60% market share. And we will continue to do that. Our research people are always looking at things which will be introduced not next year, but 5 years from now. And those technologies will be introduced at the appropriate time. So I think we believe that we have a very strong position in India. We enjoy leading the commercial vehicle business, and we'll continue to do that forever.
Alone and down.
As testimony to what Tata Motors has been able to achieve in all these years is the Tata Prima World Truck, jointly developed with their Korean subsidiary Tata Daewoo Commercial Vehicles, as well as inputs from across the globe, more than 600 customers. They've taken inputs from everyone to conceive a vehicle that is truly a world-class product. And that is where Tata Motors stands today, and they're not slowing down. They still have a 60% market share of the Indian commercial vehicle market, and by bringing in new technologies, they're looking at just keeping this momentum going.